Welcome to the Praise Reward System walkthrough. The Praise Reward System was developed as a method for community members to recognize one another for their individual contributions to the community. The Praise Reward System contains two processes. The first is praise. Praise is a reward mechanism based on gratitude that is issued by members of the community. Once onboarded into the Praise Reward System, each member is endowed with the ability to issue praise. Praise can be issued at any time by any member within an established praise period. Each praise contains the name of a community member and a description of their contribution. Once documented, each issuance of praise is then recorded and collected within the Praise Reward System dashboard. Next is the quantification process. The quantification process establishes a set period of time when quantifiers score each issuance of praise based upon their perceived impact on the community. Quantifiers are a pool of individuals who are randomly selected to quantify all of the praise issued during a specific praise period. Each quantifier will have an established time period to finish their quantification scores. Quantifiers do this through the praise dashboard. In order to access the dashboard, each quantifier will need to log in with their Web3 wallet. Once logged in, the dashboard contains three tabs: My Praise, Periods, and Logs. Quantifiers will click on the Periods tab and will select the active praise period. Once you enter the praise page, you will see a list of community members receiving praise and the remaining praise items that require scoring. Once a member is selected, you will see a digital recording of the praise they received, who it was issued by, and a scoring slider. Since praise is subjective, it is important that quantifiers choose to score each issuance based upon their own consistency of perceived impact. Quantifiers may often find that there are multiple praises for the same contribution. In this case, it is the role of quantifiers to mark such praises as duplicates. Quantifiers can either manually enter the duplicate or check each issuance and mark the duplicate button at the top of the page. Another responsibility for quantifiers is to filter out praise that contains no praise information or is out of scope for the praise reward system. In these instances, quantifiers can check each issuance of praise and select the dismiss button at the top of the page. Once quantifiers have finished scoring each issuance of praise, there will be a check mark next to each receiver in the praise page. The praise reward system will assign scores for each community member. Following each quantification period, the quantifiers will have a review session to go over any anomalies or problems they encountered before finalizing the quantification scores. For each praise period, there will be a set amount of community tokens that are allocated for rewards. The distribution of these rewards are then sent out to each community member who received praise during the praise period. This is how we build a culture of gratitude.